Hi, I wanted to share this news with you because it is a pretty big deal for those of us who love GIMP, and we have been waiting for a new major release for years. So far we've been using GIMP 2.8 and now GIMP 2.10 has been released. It's a development version still, it's not stable, but if you're eager to see what the new GIMP has to offer, you can go ahead and follow the link in the description to the official website where you can get this version. The reason why this is a pretty big deal for us is because with the new major release we're getting a lot of new features, new tools even, which is something that we've been waiting for. I will probably wait until the stable version is released before I start making detailed tutorials about the new features and tools. But if you're eager, like I said, to see what's going on, you can get it now. You see, even at first look, there are a lot of improvements and changes to the interface. All the tools have updated icons. A lot of the options here have updated icons. A lot of new stuff to explore. So go ahead, check it out if you want to. Link is in the description. I'm going to be ready hopefully this Sunday with a new tutorial suggested by you. Until then, bye for now.